In this video, I'm gonna show you how to find apps you deleted on Android in an easy step-by-step process. I am Lisa from Create Login Delete. After watching this video, if your problem is solved, make sure to like the video for algorithm and consider subscribing if you are new. Now let's jump into the process. Open your Play Store. Here we go. Now at the top right corner, you can see your profile icon. Tap on it. Now go to the option Manage Apps and Device. Now go to the option Manage. Over here you can find these apps that are already installed in your device. Now tap on this option Installed. Now go to the option Non-installed. These are the apps that were in your device but you have deleted these apps. In this way you can easily find apps you deleted on Android. At the end, if you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also be sure to check out our website createlogindelete.com, which is linked in description below for various helpful guides, tips and tricks for your favorite social media apps and software. Thank you.